A dry cough makes it hard to sleep, causes a sore throat, and will probably keep your whole household up. The key is to get rid of the dryness, and I have some hacks for you. Using a humidifier will add moisture into the air. A cup of hot tea, especially adding some lemon or mint, will soothe and alleviate your throat. A cough drop or sucking candies are also helpful because the act of sucking increases saliva, which soothes the throat. And my dad would always suggest honey. Honey has antibacterial properties, and it also coats the throat to alleviate that dryness. A recent study showed that a tablespoon of honey was just as effective as diphenhydramine, the active ingredient in Benadryl. The next time you have a dry cough, try one of these hacks at home. My name is Dr. Eric Ascher. Subscribe to more Hack Your Health videos from The Well by Northwell.